No cake for breakfast, Arrow.
It's too early for sugar.
You always say no to everything.
Yeah, always no.
Wait, what if this brought fries? What if today we say YES to everything?
Really? A yes day? A yes day? Everything?
S Day means we agree to your choices today. But we have one important rule.
What is the rule, Mom?
Safety first. Nothing dangerous.
Exactly. We must stay safe.
Dangerous? Like what, Dad?
Dangerous means it can hurt you, like playing in the street. So, safe choices only.
Are you ready?
Yes, Day! First choice. I want ice cream for breakfast.
Ice cream? For breakfast?
We said yes. Let's go.
Hey! Ice cream truck!
Good morning. But it's 8 a.m. Ice cream for breakfast? It's our yes day. They make the choices today. Yes day? Wow, good luck, Dad. What flavor?
Chocolate, please. Ah! Strawberry for me.
Thank you. Here you go.
Ooh, enjoy your breakfast.
Cold. Brain freeze.
Eat slowly, buddy. See? Too cold.
This is the best breakfast ever.
They are so happy.
Yeah, worth it.
Now, time for outfits. Let's go home. Dad, wear this pink headband. It's beautiful.
A pink headband? Are you sure, Arrow?
Yes, an ender for Congo Day. Yes, it's yes day. You have to wear it. Mom, this green coat for you. Try it on.
Oh my, it's so bright.
Ridiculous.
We look like a circus.
You look perfect. Best outfits ever.
Okay, fine. Where are we going with these outfits?
To the arcade. Let's play games. To the arcade. Here we go. Wow! Look at all the games!
Dad, can we play this? Please?
Yes. And I will win.
Dad, you are playing too fast. Give me a ball. Go, Mom, go! Hit that one!
I got it! Take that!
Whoa, a bell best goals.
Wow! You guys are amazing!
Excuse me, what are these tickets for?
These are tickets. You win them from games. You can trade tickets for prizes.
Prizes? Like toys? Let's go!
We will take these funny glasses. Thank you!
Lunch
Lunchtime! Let's buy food!
Can we buy these snacks?
Can we buy these snacks? Yes. Put the snacks in the cart.
Marshmallows for lunch.
Are you sure? It's very sweet. This cart is a disaster.
I know.
Wow. Are you having a party? Are you having a party? No party. It's just a special yes day for the kids.
Good luck to you both. That's $40.
Here is my card. Thank you.
Snacks are ready. Mom, the car wash. The car wash. Can we go inside?
Yes, we can. The car is dirty anyway.
Loud music? You got it! Let's have a car wash party!
Party! Look at the windows. What is that foam? That's soap. Soap cleans the dirt off the car.
The blue brushes are funny.
I can't dance! The seatbelt is holding me!
That was an awesome party.
Now, let's go home and eat our healthy lunch.
Next choice. We need a fort.
Yes. A huge pillow fort in the living room. A fort? Okay. Let's gather the pillows.
These are heavy. Keep moving, buddy.
We need this blanket for the roof.
Good idea. The blanket makes the perfect roof.
Welcome to our pillow fort!
We did it! Best fort ever!
Now, time for our marshmallow pizza. The doorbell. Our food is here.
Pizza delivery for Atlas? Yes, that is me. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa!
Is that a giant pillow fort? Cool!
It's Yes Day. The kids are the bosses today.
Bring the pizza here, Dad. Hurry! Hurry!
Here is the cheese pizza.
Now we add the marshmallows. Woo!
Wow. It's so sweet and delicious. Delicious? What does it taste like, Scout? It tastes like sugar and cheese. You must try it.
Oh boy. Too sweet for me.
Dad's face is so funny. Ooh. My stomach. I am so full.
Your stomach is full.
I am exhausted. No more games. Exhausted means very tired. It's okay to rest now.
Mom, look at the living room. The room is so messy. Things are everywhere.
I'm sorry. It is very messy. But we can clean it up together.
Dad, I don't want ice cream for breakfast tomorrow.
Really? What do you want for breakfast?
Eggs and toast. Normal food.
That is a very smart thought, Scout.
But today was still the best day ever. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sleep tight, little explorers.
We survived. Yes day.
Barely. But we did.
Is it evening already? I slept a long time. Wow, the living room is still a mess. We have to clean it.
Ready for our next mission?
Team cleanup. Ready!
Arrow, you take the trash bag. Put all the wrappers inside.
1, 2, 3 wrappers. In the trash.
Scout, put these clothes in the basket, please.
Yes, Mom.
Where do I put the basket? Take it to the laundry room. We will wash them later.
Goodbye, Pillow Fort.
You were great.
Look, the room is clean again. We did a great job.
My stomach is making noise. I am hungry again.
I can wash the vegetables. I like salad. I am washing the tomatoes. They are so red. Good job, helper.
Now we mix the salad. Add a little oil.
Looks healthy. Cheers!
To a healthy dinner.
Green leaves are better than marshmallows right now. Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Here is your towel. Wash your face, too. Thanks, Mom.
Time to sleep. It was a long day.
Dad. The yes day was fun. But I like our normal rules, too.
You are growing up, Scout. We are proud of you.
Normal rules. And no pink headbands.
Good night, sweetie.
Sleep tight, buddy. Yes day is officially over.
Tomorrow is a no day.
Wait. I left the pink headband in the car.
Well, go get it. The rules are over. Thanks for watching our crazy, only our crazy
Yes day. What is your favorite part? Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you you on the next journey.
Wait, one more time with the...